Curious about how to keep your server's real IP address hidden from prying eyes without spending a dime? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Cloudflare's free proxy feature to mask your server's IP address. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up the Orange Cloud proxy. Make sure your settings are correct, and understand why each step is so important for your website's privacy. Let's jump right in and secure your server. First, let's talk about the foundation. Enabling the Orange Cloud proxy in your Cloudflare dashboard. If you're new to Cloudflare, think of it as a powerful shield that sits between your website and anyone who tries to access it, helping to hide your server's true location. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. If you haven't signed up, it's free and just takes a few minutes. Once you're in, head over to the domain you want to protect and click on the DNS tab. Then select Records. This area is like your website's phone book. It keeps track of all the names and addresses that point visitors to your server. Now zero in on the A or AAA records. These are the DNS records that tell browsers and apps where to find your server. The A record is most common and points to an IP4 address, sort of like a street address for your website, while AAA does the same for IP6. Here's the crucial part. Check the proxy status column next to your record. If you see a gray cloud icon labeled DNS only, your server's real IP is wide open for anyone to see with simple tools like ping or dig. It's like leaving your home address taped to your front door, not exactly what you want for privacy. What you need to do is click that gray cloud to turn it orange. This switch enables Cloudflare's proxy, which means visitors and even attackers will only see Cloudflare's IPs, not your actual server. This is the heart of the process. Whenever someone visits your site, Cloudflare will handle their request and filter out a lot of malicious traffic, only passing the good stuff along to your server. Don't worry if there's a slight delay here. Sometimes it takes a few moments for the new setting to take effect, especially if your DNS data has recently changed. If you have multiple A or AAA records, sometimes websites do. For extra features or subdomains, repeat this process for each one. Make sure every record that points directly to your server is set to Proxied, the Orange Cloud. Missing even one means your real IP could still leak out. It's a bit like checking every window in your house to make sure it's locked. Thoroughness is key. A quick aside: if you have other types of DNS records like CNAMEs or MX records, you can leave them as they are. Focus on the A and AAA records for hiding your server's IP. And if you're worried about something going wrong, don't sweat it. Cloudflare's dashboard makes it easy to spot any mistakes, and you can always swap the proxy off and on if needed. It's all fairly forgiving. Once you've done this, congratulations, your server's IP address is now hidden behind Cloudflare's secure network, making it much tougher for bad actors to target you directly. You've basically just added a protective wall around your website, and it didn't cost you a thing. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. And if you ran into any trouble, or you have questions about DNS or Cloudflare in general, leave a comment down below. I love helping out and chatting with you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.